We are a company, we manufacture machine in the plastic industry, in packaging principally, and we would like to implement the business downside and upstream. So as long as we have a lab in which we design the packaging units to be approved by the global brands, and the use of recycled plastic is going to be more and more compulsory from some kind of rules, especially in Europe with the packaging waste regulation and the single-use plastic as well. And also the big brands has a global strategy on sustainability. So the use of recycled plastic in our package is going to be more and more important. So we need to have a knowledge on that, but also to be in the position to supply to our customer the proper approved food grade plastic. And this is why we are here today. In the machinery to produce our plastic packaging, two main materials are polyolefin and PET. Today we are talking on HDPE, so high density polyethylene, which is used in caps, injection molded, or in bottle, blow molded. So in this plant where we are today, we are processing mainly polyolefin, polypropylene, and polyethylene. We plan to produce here in this plant the input material, the mixed colored flakes from polyolefins, and the output material would be single granules, decontaminated, so for food grade used, divided by color family, so the whitish, the reddish, the greenish, and the mixed color as well. The critical point here is to be able to have clear input stream into the line for the contamination. The more the input stream is clear, the best is the result after. And the more the percentage you can use of recycled material into the final product. This is why we need selection. Two main sectors. The first one is material, so to divide HDPE from all the rest which are found in the input stream. And the second one is to divide by color family. It's important because of the color the final customer needed in the product, but also we found that different colors of polyolefins has different performance. So it's very important to have only HDPE divided by single colors. And this is why we came to Trio for the selection machines. It's a complete new project for us, but also for the market, because in Europe there are, so far, we hope to be the first, not food-grade granules in HDPE mechanically recycled in the market. So we tested different suppliers from the input material, we tested different suppliers for selection and different suppliers for decontamination. The reason why we choose Trio is the competence of Trio team in the material, in the machines, in the process, in the technology, to have someone which has a lot of knowledge and is very reactive, so able to come and work together and customize the machine, the receipt in the first hours of working on the plant, for us is an absolutely plus, because as said, being something new, so we have to test every day and check from what we learn how to be better in the process. And this is strategic for us. This setup has been installed 3-4 months ago. We are in test phase also with EFSA, so the European authority, for giving them data in order to check the percentage for recycled materials. Since the beginning, machine ran smoothly, easy to set up, easy to start up. We didn't have any issue. There are some customization to be made according to what we found. The parts being manufactured in Trio, and again, also in this, they are very good. The plan is to have just one operator for this selection. The operators will take care of the two machines from Trio and the loading and unloading of the material, so input and output. So far, we're very, very happy and very confident. The first step of the project is to have a plan for 1 ton per hour of final product. In order to do that, this setup has been studied to have 2 more Phoenix while the Hyperion is enough. So in, let's say, 1 year, probably we have space here for the second line. Most probably, when we engineered and we have an experience on how the first line of such a kind is done, is a sort of a cluster to be replicated somewhere else in the world. We have a global footprint, so we have branches everywhere in the world, and most probably the second cluster will be Mexico, India, or Africa. I have to say that machines are running very smooth, and on top of that, which to me is more important, is the service and the approach we have from Free Vision, which is just excellent. And the more important thing is how to approach the problems which might arise also for third-party causes, and with Free Vision is just fantastic. Hope to continue like that.